I am definitely not one of the greatest YouTubers, but with a lot of hard work, patience, practice, and research, I was able to meet the monetization requirements and be approved for the YouTube Partner Program, also called YPP. So for those of you that don't know, in order to be monetized on YouTube, you have to meet the following requirements. 1. You have to get 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 2. Get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. YouTube has also expanded the YouTube Partner Program to more creators, allowing them to get early access to fan funding and shopping features. So, creators in a few select countries are able to get this early access if they have 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads within 90 days, and 3,000 watch hours in the past year, or 3 million valid public shorts views in 90 days. This way, you can earn a revenue from your videos much earlier in your channel's growth plan. Keep in mind that public watch hours from shorts won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours from long-form content, and vice versa. Also, you must not have any active community guideline strikes on your channel. With your assistance, I was able to get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 valid public watch hours. This was one of the greatest moments of my life, but it wasn't easy. Starting this channel, I had no knowledge about how to grow a YouTube channel. No video editing skills, no marketing skills, basic graphic design skills, and I had absolutely no idea what search engine optimization was, but I was able to make it happen. So, without any further ado, my estimated revenue after being monetized on YouTube for 3 days. Just a warning, this might not be what other YouTubers make in their first 3 days, and YouTube earnings vary from creator to creator. So, drum roll please. After 3 days, I have an estimated revenue of 27 cents, which is a combination of earning from watch page ads, shorts feed ads, and YouTube Premium. On day 1, I made 10 cents. On day 2, I made 16 cents, and day 3, I only made 1 cent. Bear in mind, I will have to reach a payment threshold of $100 before I'm able to get any money. But personally, I feel great about this because I'm literally coming from nothing to something, and trust me, I am planning to level up. If you would like to see how much I am able to earn after a week or maybe after a month, hit the subscribe button. If it is your first time on this channel is geared towards helping people to grow and develop financially, physically, mentally, and emotionally. I am also planning on having a lot of giveaways relating to personal development. So if you are interested in anything like that, click the subscribe button. Let me hear from you what you think in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to share.